I'm here with Derric and Waylon. Waylon just clearly thinks we're working on Subarus today, but we're not. We're unboxing things with this West Side Story murder knife. Sharks versus Jets. Whoop. We got a couple boxes here from our buddies at Antigravity Batteries. We had to tie them to the ground because they was just floating up like a helium balloon, man. That's so light. I'll take the little one. Oh, paper. I'm saving this for the fire pit, dude. It's fall, you know? It's that time.
It's fall, y'all.
Large, large, and large. Man, oh, XL.
XL,
I'll trade you.
Yeah, here.
These are large, yeah, XL, you can have all the larges. Okay, shirts aside. XP20s, 2 of them.
Oh, all right, a little jump starter guy.
Personal power supply, 4650 peak amps.
That's impressive.
That's pretty solid.
Yeah, built-in flashlight.
You've had no shortage of issues with jump starters in the...
We never have to use jump starters here. That's insane.
Well, not only is it the using jump starters, but it's the failure rate at the jump starters we've been using.
I also like that it has a very easy to read screen, so you know how charged it is.
That's very nice.
Versus a light that you can barely see. And
it's flashing 3 times?
Yeah.
All right. So, ooh, this battery comes with 2 key fobs.
So this is so you don't have to go find the battery and restart it?
Bloop, bloop.
Yeah.
Hey, where'd I park that battery? Bloop, bloop. This thing weighs, I mean, I'll tell you this.
Oh, you're giving it the pinky test?
It weighs that much.
Oh, wow. Waylon, you weigh more in this thing.
He literally does. Let's hang on, actually, let's do this. Waylon, come here. Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, this battery weighs way less than a Corgi, dude. This battery weighs way less than a Corgi. That's remarkable. Okay, well now we know an Antigravity Group 75 battery comes with more key fobs than a Corgi and weighs significantly less than a Corgi. Wow, Waylon, look at you, buddy. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, the big dog.
Yeah, portable power station. Okay.
PS80. So here's what is super rad about these. We have, if you know anything about what we've been working on at the ranch and what we're building, you know that we're building this pretty wild, like the first ever converged LTE and Wi-Fi network that we're building with RGNets. One of the challenges is we can run fiber for miles back into the woods here, and we can set up these Wi-Fi and LTE towers. The challenge is we don't need those except for when we're running back in the woods, we're running rally sprints, or we're doing private training, anywhere that we need that data accessibility.
Your own LTE network, 80 megabits in the middle of nowhere!
We don't need that all the time, so it's really hard for us to justify the expense of running a huge amount of copper and power and transformers and stuff back there. So these PS80s will quite literally power our entire live stream network when we do rally sprints. So we've basically built accommodations into where the fiber comes in, we've got the network signal going in, and then all we do is we pop out the PS80s at each of those Wi-Fi towers, and this will power them all day.
It also has a wireless charger for your phone.
That's insane.
Yeah.
So you have a wireless charging station on top. You have a USB 3.0 and 2 USB Type A ports, Type C port, and you have 2 DC outputs and a DC input, so you can charge this with solar. So you can set this out in the field, chuck a solar panel to it, and charge it. Yeah, I'm very excited about the PS80s. You notice there was another.
Oh, more power stations.
More PSA. Oh, that's right, because we're going to be powering like the whole network with these things.
Yeah.
When you say, the live stream brought to you by Antigravity Batteries, I mean, quite literally, the live stream will only be functioning because of Antigravity Batteries. So
like we're trenching across like a creek. There's trees in the way. There's all these things we'd have to work around, and we can just plop this wherever we want.
Yeah. It's also cool. We have a bunch of campsites in the woods. We have no power back there. We are running water back there right now, but this will be super rad because that'll give us the ability to inflate and deflate your camping pads, your stuff, whatever you want to do. Having these just gives us flexibility to actually set up base camps all over the ranch because it's 140 acres. Like getting power and resources to all those spots is awesome. All right, well, we have this to stick in a car and then key fob.
Yeah, this is going in the Colorado.
Oh, that's right, this is going in the truck. So Colorado, powering everything that we do around the ranch, and then fixing all the shit that we break. Well, that's it. You get a shirt.
All right.
I get a shirt. Waylon, you want a shirt? Waylon, where'd you go? Get your own anti-gravity gear. It's good for you, it's good for me. You get a battery that weighs less than air. It's like lunar gravity on these things right here. Put that in your car and all of a sudden it's like a moon buggy.
Yeah.
It can barely stick to the ground, it's so light. Whew. Okay, we're gonna go put all this stuff in cars now and fix the cars that are sitting in a field waiting for a jump start, because inevitably there's at least one. Okay, dibs on the shirt. See you guys. Waylon, come here. Waylon.